Hey guys, we're here in the Valley Oriental Hotel. We've been here before, but not my little girl Heaven. So Lorenzo stay daily. We've been here before. So, thank you guys. Heaven. What? What time daw?
Huh?
What time we go inside?
Right now.
Oh, ready na?
3:17.
Already set daw? Wala dahil mo kwento? Kanang elevator? Ay! Wala ikwan sa generator? Ayaw. Okay?
Pagbalik ko niya sa quarantine, Maki, magamit ka na ang elevator, ma'am.
Okay. Oh. Sige.
We did this last time, so
Okay.
I don't like it. What are you gonna do?
But the elevator is not yet working
The
today.
elevator's working. It's just they're scared the power will go off and stuff.
Yeah, spend a lot of gas. Oh. And then it's scary. Will be stuck. Menu functions. Watch your step, Hannah. Watch your step. Because the asa may mga area dong. Okay. Wow! Another more step. Babe, give me that. Go follow the guard, Bem. Follow Kuya. Follow Heaven. Follow your Oriental did kayo siya. Oriental. This is an old Sanidon Antilla Nos. Open. Go, I will open for you. What is the number of your room, huh?
3:17.
Huh?
3:07 or 3:17. Let me check.
317 daw. 317. Okay. Oh, here it's already good afternoon. We're closing the kuanhan. Housekeeping.
Kumaday. 307 ka na. Oo, ano? Twist yan, no?
To give you a key.
Thank you po. Afternoon. Thank you po. Come on, let's go. Give it the carton. She's helping with that. Okay, it's good. Not like,
Our favorite, an elevator.
yeah, it's good now. Before, I don't like the place that we've been before because it's not good. Okay. May I see? We're in the way. Ouch! Miss.
Everything is the same as before. The elevator, the things fall down. So if you didn't bring the coffee, I'm gonna guess you're gonna bring the cups.
Hala. Gamay kaayo. Oh, sige lang, Han. That's enough. That's enough. Han, they have a balcony, really, oh.
Yes, I asked you.
They lock in the...
why the elevators weren't last time we came here. It was the same way.
Okay.
And they're
Because,
they're not
because we are always here with no power.
I don't
but-
think that's what it is, because I see the guys taking the stuff off the elevators.
Huh?
The guys are taking the tables and chairs.
This,
and stuff.
he said, the girl front desk, he said that if the power come up, they will run. Because as of now, they don't run because maybe fluctuating the power, so you will be stuck up in the.
You hear what I'm saying now? They're carrying furniture up and down the elevators.
Carrying the.
Furniture. When you see them walk out the front door with a bunch of furniture in their hands?
Yeah, the table.
Yeah, that's what they were getting out of probably the banquet hall. Or
Maybe
someplace, they were taking someplace.
maybe they have
Outside.
function
You know, they take it outside, they had function.
functions.
This is 1,000 more than the normal room. Don't ask me why.
Still not cold on. Make it high.
It's just running, but we've just been hot walking up those stairs.
Oh, impossible.
Impossible?
That's maybe, because we are breathing ourselves. We have a table here. Bem, ali Bem. Okay, we're here. Oh, it's a school. Ah. Okay. So nice. Evan, you like it? Here. Sit down here. Get your sleeper. This is what we get. My heaven. Oh, sit down there. Okay, take you. We are here in this hotel. Okay. With my heaven, with my bunny, honey, my hubby, my husband. Okay. Here we go. In the Belly Oriental Hotel. Nice place. It's, you know what? It's a very nice rather than before. We have before, not good for. There's no like this balcony. This one is habit.
But it's small.
Why you don't laugh? That's why the AC is. Oh, nice the door of the. It's nice. This is the shower. Wow, rain shower. Oh, nice rain shower, babe. Okay, ganda oh. Okay, it's good. May may blower. Have a blower. May dispenser sa toilet. Nice this toilet dispenser, huh? Where's the refrigerator? No?
Yeah, somewhere.
Oh, I don't see. No refrigerator. Did you order with
Hiding somewhere.
this is a table. There's a safety box. Oh, safety box is here. Oh. On the TV. Did you get the password of this hotel?
Password.
They give you?
No, I didn't.
Mhm. Ay, at last. Take time here for away from brown out,
Well, I
guys.
ain't gotta worry about people like me
Ah.
walking down the stairs to aggravate everybody's damn password.
Uh-huh. Okay. It's so nice here. May balcony. May balcony dito. Yan. Outside. Mhm. Nandito kami para alis sa brown out itong today. 6 to 6 guys. Mainit. So, nandito na lang kami. Two nights magstay para lang at least vacation ni Heaven din. Okay.
I'm glad I'm in there.
Heaven, going to the swimming pool. Go down, walk. Walk, I take you every day. Wow. She's first time in the Valley Oriental Hotel. Heaven, first time here. For us is twice, so third time we've been here. Okay. Down. Going on down. Hala, wala tayo. Ano sa man yung towel, ani? Pangtas na lang ta. Ha? Just ask them. Okay. girl. Nag-enjoy si girl. Nag-enjoy. Siya lang dito, oh. Enjoy. 2 araw. Para lang sa kanya. At saka away sa ano po, yung electric power ngayon, walang mainit. Walang ilaw sa ano, Dumaguete 6 to 6. Hirap. Ayan. Watcher na lang tayo dito. Sa Gergo. Buti behave siya. Buti ang babe ng girl ko. Nasa willful siya, oh. Sige na, ligo na. Uy, sige na. Okay. You're done? Let's go back to the room. Go back to the room, ka. Sige na. Useless lang atong kuan din eh. Go home na. Okay, done? Okay, wait. Wow, nice. Nice. Nice here, oh. So nice. Wow. Look at the sun. The sunset. That's a restaurant, no. Have a vendors there, you can buy you. School. Na. You want to eat? Huh? Come here. Hindi na, wala may food. Yan na, mag-dinner ta sa outside. Come on. Mag-dinner tayo. You want to eat? Huh? You want to eat? There is a restaurant there, oh. Their restaurant. We're gonna go there. Huh? Okay, we're gonna go there. Nice day. Baby, watch your view. The view. Face the mommy. Ayaw na, anak. Just eyes to eye to mommy. Aha, heaven na. Nice, their sitting place. Dali, Bembe, lingkod din eh. Bem. Lingkod. Hala. Lingkod. Bembe. Bem. 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 Okay, smile. Read it. What you want? What you want? What's your dinner? You want a pasta? You want a steak? Or Donatelano classic Hispanic beef? What you like? Ah, I've been here before. They have a burger there, no? Han, they have a burger. Huh? Hey, Ben. Nag-gets ni mo yan. Evan Celestia orders wings. Nice. Nice to share. Long love concept. Hi, Heaven. Eat na. That's just a chicken, oh. Chicken. Eat na. It's a chicken. Wow, si Heaven sa ano. Chicken wing. Fried chicken wing. Your birthday here. Nice. To spend my birthday here. Nice the food. A lot of customers. Look at my girl enjoying or eating the chicken wings. Fried chicken wings. Slowly. Evan, you enjoy it? Yummy beef? Third floor, Heaven. Third floor. Heaven, third floor. Oh, so quick, so fast.
Because I've been resting all day.
Okay, Heaven, go inside. Up outside. Okay, Celestia. No more because the brownout is done. Back the light already. Early, it's 5:08:10. That's good. What? She know, hon. She know. She know.
Look at nosy there.
Oh, you're so nosy. Oh, no good. That's not your place. Where's your room? Go to your room, not that place. Thank you, girl. Nosy, you are nosy girl. The royal.
And you can sit out on the balcony and eat your food and drink your soda.
Yeah. Ben,
Watch the traffic go by.
Ben, you want to go outside the balcony? Come on, Ben.
Where's the charger?
Oh, it's
My
in.
phone is about dead now.
Oh? Did you use it?
I didn't have to use it. I ain't charged it for 2 days.
Oh, okay. Last night you don't charge? You want here to eat your food? Huh? Heaven, you want to eat your food? Or later?
Where are the plugs here? There's no plugs here?
There. Huh? Take it out my one.
You just leave that chair back there because I'll go sit and watch TV.
Yeah, I know. Later. Okay.
What's the other one?
That's for the telephone.
Mm.
They have no a lot of a wire here. A plug.
They
You
don't
can't
have
plug.
a lot here at all. I wouldn't.
Even the refrigerator, they were telling with me, Mom, we cannot put there because I told her I think this is the purpose for the refrigerator here. Yeah, this one.
I'll talk to her in the morning.
This one.
Tries to get that.
This one, that's the purpose.
No, that's it's supposed to be right there. If you look in the picture, that's where it is.
Oh, under the needs of the table. Oh,
They just didn't want to give us a refrigerator.
oh, okay. Okay, Bemo, nice in the night, heaven, night, in the balcony, Bem, heaven, come here, nice, oh, Celestia, heaven, nice here, oh, hala, the restaurant, no, what? Oh, you just sleep. She's laughing, Han. She's laughing, Han.
She's laughing because she knows that's what she wants to do.
She enjoy her games. No, she enjoy her game. Oh, hali, Bem. Bem. Celeste. Outside, oh, nice, oh, view. Nice view, so. Heaven. Nice view outside. Ah, nasa Joe's Grill dia ay. Joe's Grill, oh. Night General Royal. Wow, you can see, oh, around it. Look at heaven. Look at the Western Chinese restaurant. And the ballet. Oriental. Hey, nice heaven, heaven. Nice here, sitting there. Wow. Get your food, go. Get your one. Take home food. No. In the restaurant. Go, get it. And your royal. You want panghimagas? Sweet? Appetite ni mo? Okay. Get your cookies there. And royal, ha? Full. Okay, sama na siya. Alpha P Omega. Wow. Sama na Alpha P Omega. Sama na dia oy. Alpha P Omega. I think it's a restaurant. Wow, a lot of restaurant here. The guard here. Oh, Joe Grills. Nasty, and they are all Joe's. Nanghimagas na ang girl, oh. Look at the girls. Eating for appetite niya. After dinner or lunch, that's the way she is. Once panghimagas, looking for leftover ni girl, oh, chicken wings. Buti na lang nag-bring ako ng mga cookies, mga junk foods. Han, look at, she's eating a appetite for cookies. After dinner, she loves to eat, yeah, for dessert, something.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You got plenty.
You wanna tight your hair? I will tight later.
She said, don't bother me.
God. No, we don't say the front.
Huh?
The front desk about our internet. We're in the balcony. So dark. Dark guys sa balcony. Talking each other. Drinking his beer. Behave kay siya. Watching siyang TV. Favorite kids channel. Sa YouTube. Wow. Na kami sa balcony sa akong Mr.